Good morning, good afternoon, Professor Young. Um, my topic today for my research paper and my presentation will be societal effects of obesity. Here to the side, I have a few notes that I'll be reading off my phone. I have it here because I just didn't include a lot of details on the actual presentation because I wanted to be able to talk more instead of just repeating myself like what I said. Basically, what I was putting in the essay. Obesity is big. Like it is literally like it's a big factor of like health problems all over the world, but in America, it is number two behind tobacco and leading causes of death. And I feel like that is like mind blowing because who would have thought that obesity is a cause of death, a leading cause? As you see here, there are like it's been a trend, like it's a increasing trend that obesity rates like they are rising among adults. And I feel like the only thing that's going that's that this is gonna lead to is that their kids will continue to make this rate increase. And that's not the path that we need to be going. But but that is the society that we live in. Because people are becoming lazy and we don't cook food a lot. We depend on fast foods and we get these high calorie foods, highly salted foods that's quick to come about, and that's what that's what we rely on instead of going into the kitchen and going to find something that's more healthy. But furthermore, this slide here is showing like the health effects, the actual health effects of obesity, and this is pretty mind blowing, actually to me, because I never would have thought that obesity can lead to cancer at all. Also, I really did not know that it can lead to type 2 diabetes, even though I should have known because of the high calorie stuff that leads to obesity, that will cause diabetes. Because it can make like your body will resist the insulin and lead to a high blood sugar, increasing like your risk to the possibility of getting diabetes, especially type 2. Right? And of course, because of the high blood pressure, this can also be um, a risk. Like this could cause a stroke, and strokes are nothing to play with. Like that, you can die. And furthermore, here we go with the next slide. Uh, it costs to be a boss. Like the biggest boss, Rick Ross, be obese. There is a lot of money that you have to spend. I mean, you have to understand because you're you've made the choice to be obese and take on all these challenges of eating all this food, like there's gonna be medical expenses because you're gonna be taking trips to the doctor. You're gonna be sick sometimes. You're gonna have to leave work. Like there may be a chance that you just have to just there may be a chance that you might just have to um stop working all together because you have made yourself that obese. Like you feel gone so overweight that you can't put that much pressure on your body. That's another health factor also because it can create like osteoporosis in your bones and you can't like put that much weight on your body and that's ridiculous to the point that you can't even work. Which here on this slide is showing you like some of the actual like these are some just I guess just some rough amounts of money that I guess you could spend that you would have to spend as an obesity person, as an obese person, I would guess. And as we go on to the next slide, of course, everybody knows like the effects of obesity that you'll gain body weight, but that's not like the only thing. Like I feel like the most like mind blowing thing that I found out is that life expectancy is reduced by at least 9 years. because of the choice of that. Uh, Depression can come out of anxiety, all of this, low self-esteem, all of this, fewer friends, and you can all see like why this is possible. Because if you if you're not happy with yourself, with the way that you look, the obesity, like the obese weight that you put on, like you will not want to be around people. You'll want to be more to yourself. Like that's where depression kicks in, and this is probably what leads to like other things such as more likely to have um more likely to be divorced, more likely to commit suicide, like to have suicidal thoughts, and that's really common, especially with obese person. But I feel like back to the part where the life expectancy is being reduced by 9 years. I feel like that is enough that should make a person want to change their life. Because who would want just because you want to eat a lot because you can't control yourself that you're expected to die 9 years earlier than you really should? That's pretty much mind blowing. Now here on this slide, I'm trying to these are just some options, just something that could prevent from obesity. And here I'll be talking about things such as like fitness, just going out, being more active in the community, just doing things, just even things such as like just making a plan, having a routine schedule when you need to eat. You shouldn't just eat when you feel like it, when you just want to eat. Like, there should be a necessity, like you should need to eat. Like there's you shouldn't snack just for fun. I think the best path for a person to take is just making a routine. It would make it just more simple, I believe. And so with that being said, this concludes my presentation. It was a little rough, but this is my first time doing this. I hope I can get some feedback for you so I can help, so I can get better with this. But also with that being said, thank you for this semester, Professor Curry. You're a great professor, and thank you for just bearing with all the students, including myself, during this tough time as we deal with the pandemic. Thank you for everything. I hope you have a good summer and be safe.